Want to write YouTube scripts faster and better? Here's how ChatGPT can help. First, start with a clear prompt. Let's say we want to write a tutorial script for ChatGPT itself. Here's an example prompt. Write a 2-minute YouTube tutorial script on how to use ChatGPT for YouTube script writing. Include an engaging intro, 3 main points, and an outro. Now hit enter, and boom! ChatGPT writes the script in seconds. Want it more engaging? Customize it with a tone of voice. Just add your request. Once you have your script, tweak it for delivery. You can ask ChatGPT to make it more conversational, short, or include camera cues. And that's it. Now you've got a script ready to record. Time to make your YouTube video shine. Want more tips on using ChatGPT for YouTube? Subscribe for more.